Okay, before I move too far along in my project, I wanted to give Proto 87 a try to see if that's what I want to do for track and wheels as an option. I went ahead and ordered some wheels from Shortline. I got a couple of wheels for cars, and the way I figured out what I needed, I just took an Atlas wheel, and these things are measured on wheel length. I just took an Atlas wheel and a pair of calipers, and I put the calipers from tip to tip and came out with 1.016 on this one, and they vary. They're 1.019 to, actually this one reads 1.018, and so basically that's the width of the axle. And so that's what I ordered from Shortline. Just a couple of them. There's different size axles, like I said, that fit different cars. And the exact rails have axles that aren't quite as wide. But I'll just put these on Atlas cars for right now. I also ordered some half axle packs for a Proto locomotive, and I'll do a different video to show how I measured that and how to install them. Get rid of this little wheel. So we only need one pack. I have to change out wheels on this Atlas 17,600 gallon corn syrup tank cars. I already have KD code 88 wheels on this, so they're not even the factory wheels right now, but it looks like a pretty standard wheel change. Just pop out the old and put the new in. Okay, so I'm going to take the trucks out of this Atlas tank car here. Just going to use a little flathead screwdriver. I'll loosen them up. Okay, there it goes. Swap these out. Just pop out the original or whatever you have in there of the trucks. Put the old side, get the new, pop them in, and all this stuff will eventually be painted, weathered up. So there's one set. I'll just test them, and they rolled nice. Wow, these are some free rollers. Definitely better than the old ones. It's interesting. So I'll take out these other code 88 wheels and put in my Proto 87 code 64 wheels. Okay, I'll reattach those, and we'll give it a try on a piece of tracker in a second. I have attached the Proto 87 wheels to this tank car. Put it on just a piece of Pico code 83 flex track, and the track's fine. I'll have to actually set up a test track that's a little more challenging than just a piece of straight track. I've also ordered some turnouts from the Proto 87 stores, and I'll need to, I want to set up some small grades and test it also on the turnouts, grades, and corners, curves. So it works just fine, and it looks pretty dang good too. The wheels are really small. See if I can zoom. Very much to scale. Okay, well, thanks for watching my video. It's pretty simple, just changing out wheels and trucks. No big deal. I may have to make another video where I actually change the wheels out in the locomotive. That's a little more challenging. At least I think it's going to be. I've never done it. So, thanks for watching. I'm Greg Gamer, and please watch the Industrial Lead.